If your weekly report still depends on screenshot, follow-up calls, and somebody cleaning it later, you're not data ready yet, but you can manage that in 30 days. Here are the signs. Sign 1, your numbers are scattered across many places. Sign 2, nobody agrees on which metrics is the real one. And then sign 3, reporting happens under pressure, not as a system. And here's where it gets interesting. Becoming data ready in 30 days is not about buying complicated tools. It's about building discipline fast. Let me make this practical. Week 1, decide the 5 numbers that matter most. Week 2, standardize how teams submit data. Week 3, clean one sheet and assign one owner. Week 4, turn that sheet into one simple dashboard. That's the shift. Data readiness is not more data, it is cleaner flow. Now compare that with what most teams do. Most managers think the problem is missing software, but in reality, the problem is missing structure. That's the "that's me" moment, and that matters because structure is fixable. So yes, 30 days is enough to get your team data ready if you stop improvising. If your reporting still feels rushed every Friday, this is for you. Comment ready and I'll send you the 30 days checklist. Structured managers lead with evidence. Think training, think Jake Michaels. Think training impact, think Jake Michaels. Bye for now.